The managed mobility services market is on a clear growth trajectory. There are a number of factors that are driving interest in, attention to, awareness of MMS. Today's MMS drivers include factors like a widening variety of device ownership models. Another driver could be multiple mobile form factors, multiple mobile operating systems, mobile brands. It can get intimidating and confusing. And lastly, we have companies that just don't have the internal expertise available to address these kinds of challenges.
The managed mobility space is made up of a fragmented ecosystem of vendors. What it means from a management standpoint is that you have to manage all these different vendors separately, which becomes very complex, costly, and inefficient. From a Sakon viewpoint, our platform orchestrates the entire process to dramatically simplify how you leverage these different providers, provide one pane of glass, one place to go to manage the entire device life cycle from when you acquire it all the way through the end of life. So the challenge for the modern mobile worker is that there's many different things they need to do. What do they do if their phone breaks? What if they do if they want to upgrade their phone? What do they do if they're traveling internationally? Our platform starts with the integrations. We integrate with a variety of different solutions, whether it's MMS providers, whether it's enterprise systems, could be HR, could be MDM, could be IT asset management, and carrier systems, which has information around lines and billings and such.
A major ingredient for a successful mobile business solution is ease of use. Cumbersome workflows, complexity, these are immediate app killers for today's worker. Today's employees also want to have a firmer sense of control over the management of their devices. You give them this sense of control, and the likelihood of employee satisfaction going up gets stronger, and if employee satisfaction goes up, so may employee productivity.
With this solution, they go to the app, they punch it in a very easy way, and self-service themselves, which saves them time, saves them aggravation, and then saves the company money because they don't have to have an IT staff dedicated to managing these processes. The Sakon platform generates a lot of very useful data. Now, there's some basic data one would assume. For example, if I'm using my phone, it will tell me how much I'm spending per month. Good for me to know. But my manager may see not just me, but all of his or her other employees as well. Companies that support a BYOD strategy, where instead of giving you a phone, you bring your own phone and we pay you a monthly stipend. But we support many other devices as well. So whether that is wearables or tablets, sort of similar consumer-y kind of devices, or we also support the ruggedized devices. So things like LTE/5G mobile routers, or barcode scanners, or point-of-sale systems.
There are many benefits to having one integrated platform for device management. Two that come to mind are less complexity and more affordability, especially when you compare it to corralling or managing a disconnected set of point solutions instead.
What the Sakon platform does is we effectively take all these different providers and provide an orchestration layer on top of them. And one platform, the Sakon platform, that can basically optimize and manage the entire process. Whether you have a ruggedized, some newfangled IoT thing, whether you have a phone, a tablet, it doesn't matter. Go to one place, get the insights on how it's being used, what the costs are, and leverage that as a central point to dramatically improve the efficiency and operation of your business.